Hello and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at how to build a Slack Python bot with Django. Okay, so there are a few things you are going to need to do that. So first you are going to need the Django. So you need to go to the Django documentations and install it. So you can just go to install it and they will show you how to install the Django on your computer. So I have right now at the docs.djangoproject.com, and this django.readthedocs.io. so this is a popular website that you can find most documentations on. So this is the Django version, Django 4.2.6. As you can see here, 4.2 is the same. So there are a few things we are going to do, and we need to use the Slack API. So just go to just search for Slack bot API documentations and you will find it. You can just click on here or here, as you will see. So the developers docs and guide. Okay, so there are multiple things you can do with the Slack API. Okay, and you can just it says files API, calls API lets user quickly join calls and on third-party services. Okay, so depending on what you need, administrations API, and there are a lot of different APIs for different things that you can use for on Slack. So you need to decide on what your program is going to do, then you just choose the right API service for your program. Okay, so depending on what you want to do, you just, as I said, I don't know what to say because I don't want to get you confused by referring you to an API that is made to perform different action, and maybe your program is not made for that action. So just look for the API that you are looking for. Okay, just take your time and have a look at their API functions, automate work in Slack and connect with your services. Okay, so find the API that you would like to use and read more about it. Okay, if you are just looking for a project to do too, you can just go to Medium and go to this guy's page and read about this. We wrote it in 2017, so make sure you don't just copy the code. Okay, but try to compare it to the documentations and follow it up so you can get a better understanding of how everything works. If you want to set it up, basically I believe the Slack API, you can just create a Slack app. I think the steps are still the same, and you can just follow it up and do it as necessary. So this is the best way to learn programming. Okay, and I don't want you to get stuck in tutorial hell. Okay, I don't want to provide you code and you just copy it and then after 5 minutes they say write the same code and you'll be stuck and you don't even know where to start. So this is the best way to do it. Follow steps and add your own knowledge to it. Try to understand how certain actions are made, the logic, how the program logic are arranged, and how it works, so you can better understand it and use some of the logics elsewhere in your own program. Okay, so I hope this well, I don't know, but this is all you got to do. You can just follow the tutorial and install Django on your computer. Let me see if I have Django on my computer. Sorry for that. So anyway, don't worry about it, just focus on doing what you want to do. Okay, Don't engage in the crap. I'm just going to do it, and if I have Django installed on my computer, I wouldn't have any benefit for you. What you need to do is have it on your computer and do what's necessary to improve your skills. Okay, so go ahead. If you have any problems, just let me know in the comments